Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most common words in daily life. Yesterday,
어제,
today,
오늘,
tomorrow,
내일,
now,
지금,
home,
집,
work,
일,
friend,
친구,
family,
가족,
here,
여기,
there,
거기,
this,
이것,
that,
그것,
day,
하루,
people,
사람들,
and,
그리고,
but,
하지만,
because,
왜냐하면,
to do,
하다,
to go,
가다,
to be,
이다,
to have,
있다,
to want,
싶다,
to see,
보다,
to come,
오다,
to say.
말하다,
Quiz time.
오다, 오다, 거기, 거기,
The answer is
지금, 지금, 집, 집,
the correct answer is
가다, 가다, 친구, 친구,
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.